A very good morning to one and all. Children, this is your English language class and we are going to continue with pronouns. Children, in our last classes we have seen what is a pronoun, and then under types of pronouns we have seen personal pronouns, demonstrative pronouns and interrogative pronouns. Now today we are going to start with compound personal pronouns. Okay, compound personal pronouns. Children, you all know the meaning of compound words. Compound words are words which are formed by adding two words and then that gives you a new word, right? That is a compound word. So here, children, compound personal pronouns are a part of personal pronouns only. Okay, what we do here is that we have to add suffix. Remember, we did suffix in our last class, like 2-3 classes back. A suffix may be self if it is singular, selves if it is plural. Suffix is added to personal pronoun and then a compound personal pronoun is formed. Okay, a new word is formed. So here are the examples of compound personal pronouns: myself, yourself, thyself, himself, itself. These are for singular compound personal pronouns. Now if we talk about plural, themselves, ourselves and yourselves. These show plural compound personal pronouns. Okay, children, compound personal pronouns are further divided into two: reflexive and emphatic pronouns. Okay, now let us see what is reflexive and what is emphatic. Reflexive pronouns are used when a person or thing is referring to the same person or thing. Okay, that means, children, that the subject of the sentence and the object of the sentence are same. Clear? For singular, you have seen myself, yourself, himself, herself and itself. And for plural, we use ourselves, yourselves and themselves. Let us see example in the form of a sentence. I prefer to work by myself. Kevin sent himself a message. Children, here we have to remember that reflexive pronouns give us the answer to the question whom. Okay, and here subject and the object in the sentence are same, children. All right, reflexive pronouns are words that end in self and selves and are only applied whenever the subject and the object of a sentence are similar. Like, I did it by myself. Clear? Okay, so let us see this example. It will help you understand it all the more better. Children, in the first picture here you can see Clary is looking at Aisha. Here Clary is the subject and Aisha is the object. So here subject and object are different, children. Okay, they are not same. So in place of Clary, you can use she. But Aisha, you have to use her for that as a pronoun because subject and object are different. She is looking at her. You cannot use reflexive pronoun here. But in the second one, you can see that Clary is looking at Clary only as she is looking at the mirror, right? So here, you can use reflexive pronoun as the subject and the object both are same. Both are Clary, right? She is looking at herself. Herself is a reflexive pronoun here, children. All right. Okay. I hope reflexive pronoun was clear. Now let us come to emphatic pronoun. Children, emphatic pronouns are also, the pronouns are same like reflexive. Okay. Himself, herself. These pronouns are only used for emphatic. Okay. Himself, herself, yourself, itself, all the pronouns which we use in reflexive, those pronouns only we use for emphatic also, but their use in the sentence is different, right? You have to read the sentence and understand that what is the use of this pronoun, this compound personal pronoun here, and according to its use in the sentence you will understand that it is a reflexive pronoun or it is an emphatic pronoun, right? Emphatic pronouns show emphasis and are generally used after the pronoun. Like, he himself organized the picnic. She herself baked the cake. Here, children, himself and herself are emphasizing on the pronoun he and she. Is that okay? So here, himself and herself are emphatic pronouns. Children, let us see the examples which are given in the book, and that will make it all the more clear. Compound personal pronouns are formed by adding self to personal pronouns or selves to personal pronouns. Clear? My, your, him, her, it, our, your, them. It depends, okay, that you are using self or selves. The compound personal pronouns are used in the following two ways: as reflexive pronouns, as emphatic pronouns. The compound personal pronouns are called reflexive pronouns when the action done by the subject turns back, reflects upon the subject only. Okay? I cut myself with a knife. Whom did I cut? Myself. So children, in this sentence, you're getting the answer of whom. Okay? Let us just relax and enjoy ourselves. You will hurt yourself. It is better to guard ourselves against disease. They helped themselves to the fine banquet. The dog hurt itself. The sportspersons should practice daily to keep themselves fit. Okay? Children, here the subject and the object in the sentence are same. Clear? So these pronouns are reflective pronouns. In these sentences, the pronouns myself, ourselves, yourself, itself, and themselves are acting as the objects to verbs and refer to the same person or thing as that indicated by the subject of the verb. That means, basically it means that the subject and the object of the sentence are same. So when the subject and the object of the sentence are same, then we use reflexive pronouns there. Okay? Let us see emphatic pronouns. Children, remember emphatic pronouns when these compound personal pronouns emphasize on the pronouns, that those compound personal pronouns are known as emphatic pronouns. Okay? I myself will do this work. We ourselves prepared the lunch. Here, children, ourselves is the compound personal pronoun which is emphasizing on we. So ourselves is an emphatic pronoun here. You yourself can do it better. He himself went there. She herself agreed to the proposal. The town itself is not very large. They themselves confessed their sin. Children, in these sentences, the pronouns myself, ourselves, yourself, himself, herself, itself, and themselves are used to emphasize the subject's intent or the subject's involvement. You are basically, these pronouns are emphasizing on the subject. Hence, they are called emphatic pronouns. Emphatic emphasizes. Alright, remember it like this. Children, we will be discussing the exercises in the class and you have to revise these topics. Alright, children. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe, everybody. Thank you.